What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a ton of research points really fast. It's only going to take like a minute or two of your time each day you do it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you. So first, what you're going to want to do is have a backpack. You don't need a lot, that's optional. Take 2 sticky dynamites. Or 1, depending on how many you want. I mean, I take 2 just in case, but you can take 1. It's fine. I'm gonna take a teleport gun for good measures, but all you really need is an umbrella. And you're gonna follow these steps. If you don't want to get radiation. Well, you get radiation. And what you want to do is jump down by this corner or over there. Just make sure you pop your umbrella. Now, over here, you're gonna be flying for a while, and you're gonna look for one of these 4 things. Now that you've done that, it's only taken not too long. You're gonna want to come here. And then you want to go. Now what you're gonna do is take out. Okay, so the layout of the mines changes every like Tuesday or something. So just fly around until you find those voting. Now once you've done that, you can find the biggest cluster of research points. You go there, you pop that sticky diamond on there. It gives you like 4 research points, but I've already done it. Way to get research point. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be showing you how to get back. Just help you. Yeah, you get like 4 is the max amount you can stack up every 16 hours. So do it every once in a while. You can wait a few days to stack up to 4. And do it. It works really well. You're going to take 2 micro broccolis, jump over to the earth, keep steady, go down here to this. Yeah. And then you're down here. Now what's your And then what you're gonna do? You can just come back and spend your research points on whatever you would like. Wait, I need to. It's kind of hard. I need. Here, let me show you. It's kind of hard. Then you can spend it on anything you want over here. Me personally, I have been saving up for the Go ahead and do that, and have a good day. See you later. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that's it for today. Bye-bye.